So this is a demo of a new capability of Planck to cache compiled JavaScript. So I have an example namespace here that turns out to be pretty expensive to compile. I'll show that. Put it into a file here. Now, if I just make use of that by doing this, it's actually pretty slow. But if instead I want to cache the output, make a directory just to hold the cache files, and then if I take this command and I simply add a -k to tell it where to cache this. If I run that, it'll take the same amount of time this time. If I look in there, there's some files, and basically this is the JavaScript that was generated, and this is the compiler analysis metadata. So if I run this again now, it should be much quicker, and that's pretty much the time it needs to essentially load the core library, the standard library, and then execute that script. And that's a lot faster. This works if you are just running stuff at the REPL. So if I do, say, remove, let me just start it up. Let me start up Planck without these extra things to be evaluated. And then in here, if I just say require foo.core. To do that, it's going to actually have to compile it, right? And it should have cached it. Now if I exit out, go back into Planck, I don't need the time command there. And now if I require this again, it's pretty much instantaneous because it's just loading the compiled stuff in rather than having to compile it on fly. All right, thanks for watching.